Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to fix that GD library extension not available with this PHP installation. So this is the common error when we are implementing new Laravel application or PHP related stuff. So before that, I will share what is that error. So normally we are use that intervention tool for the our when we are working on Laravel or PHP related stuff. Normally we are using this library, intervention.io. So before that we will get about this library. So this library is intervention image, is an open source PHP image handling and manipulation library. So it provides an easier and expensive way to create, edit and compose image, and supports currently the two most common image processing library like GD library and ImagePick. So this error is related to GD library. So in this video we will see how we can fix this issue. So this mainly I'm currently working on this Laravel project. So this is my form, and some image. I'll take this image, and this is my easy form. So already fixed. So I try to click in this add image. Okay, so I'm getting this error. So GD library extension is not available. So this is really easy fix. Only we have to do is we can open our XAMPP, and in the Apache server there's a config and logs. So okay, then we are opening this one, and this Apache server you can click on that, and you will see PHP in file. Just click on, and what this is the we are getting error, GD library extension missing. So then we are in PHP in, just control F and type GD and search. Yeah, you can see not this one, this one, GD. Yeah, you will see. So this is the point. So just uncomment this one, and you can uncomment this, removing this colon. Now all good. Now control S, and I'm close it down and go back to the exam admin panel. Then I stop all this and restarting. Okay, let's try this. I just easily replacing this. Yes. Okay, not it's still not working. So I am again stop this server, this server, and restart. Then go back to my Laravel serve. Then close it and restart my server as well. Okay, pretty much good. Let's see. Yeah, success. Error is gone now. So I think you will sort out this issue. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and put a like and share with your friend.